Google is recently launched our AI-driven UI design tool called Stitch. In this video, I'm gonna be show the full tutorial about the Stitch and how, as a designer, it impact our design career. With the help of this tool, how we create creative UI design in just single prompt. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Alright, here is the website called stitchwithgoogle.com. So in this dialog box, you can add any prompt which you needed for your app. So I don't want to write anything. So I am just clicking on the agent panel where agent will ask some question related to the UI design. So let's click on the agent panel. So can you create a plant selling app for me where I can sell my plant? So prepare a home page to the final gateway related to the profile picture and other things. And if you need anything, you can tell me. I'll give you more information related to my app.
A plant selling app sounds like a great idea. Are we thinking something minimalist and calming, or more bold and vibrant like a lush jungle?
Yeah, nice question. So I want to very minimal design and very interactive UI as well.
Minimal and interactive. Perfect. We can focus on clean layouts and smooth transitions to make it feel really engaging.
Great. Just prepare an app for the plant selling.
On it. I'll design a homepage, profile, and the flow through the final gateway for you. Working on it.
So now see the process. This AI tool is working as a designer and creating the UI design which I needed. So let's see the result. So here is the first route where it's create a full style guide for me and also some UI design which I am needed for the plant selling app. The UI design is very minimal which I am needed and also very bold, but I need more enhancing UI design and also the profile screen and other screens. So I'm just telling the agent to create everything.
Hey, what are we designing?
Great, you have done a lot of nice things, but I need more enhancing version like the create a full UI in the green and brown theme, very minimal design, and also you are forget the screen which I needed like the home page, profile section, plant detail section, and the payment gateway. Prepare a full prototyping app, and I need to prototyping as well in the future. So prepare a full finished app as well. So here's the second iteration which I needed. It's try to implement brown and green color which I am telling on the prompt, and also the profile section, plant detail section, and the home page and the payment gateway. Let's align the everything which I needed for the final prototyping. Okay, so these are the screen which I am needed for the UI design. Here's the detail section where put some prices and the plant name as well and some description. Then the payment gateway and also the profile section of the seller as well. It's working is nicely, but I want to full prototyping of this app. So I'm just selecting on the screens which I needed for the prototyping and also click on the generate. The first option is called instant prototyping. It's a very new feature on the Stitch app. So let's try to create a prototyping. So now we see the features where you can just tell the screens which you needed, and after the creating the UI design, it's created prototyping as well. Let's see the result of the prototyping. So here's the prototyping link where you can test your prototyping. For the CTA button is created as a blue border for the identify the CTAs, and also the left section is showing the screen which we have for the UI design. So let's test the prototyping first. So it shows the profile picture of the plant and some description and the pricing as well. And if we are creating add to cart, it's land on the payment gateway where I can add any name of my detail section and the payment method and click on the final order. While I'm clicking the final order, it's showing my profile section and I click and see once again the detail section. And if I want to test on my screen, I can just scan and I will test out full UI in my phone as well. It's a really great feature for me. After creating the final UI, you can select your UI and export into your Figma file as well. And if you want to connect this thing with your AI Studio, there you can expand your code as well. So it's automatically connect to your AI Studio and you can test it out on the AI Studio as well. And if you don't know about the AI Studio, I already created on the video. You can learn AI Studio as well in my video. Alright, this video we are learn about the Stitch app which is faster your UI journey. So let's check and use Stitch AI tool in your design workflow as well. And we meet in another video. I am your friend Aditya signing out.